Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Sayur Asem, a delightful and tangy soup that is a staple in Indonesian cuisine. It's a super popular Indonesian soup, originally from the Sundanese people of West Java, known for their rich culinary traditions. This soup is famous for its sour and refreshing taste, and it's a regular meal in many Indonesian homes, enjoyed by families across generations. People love it because it's yummy and easy to make. The simplicity of its preparation makes it accessible to everyone, from novice cooks to seasoned chefs. The special sour taste comes from tamarind, a tropical fruit that adds a tangy kick to the broth. Tamarind is a key ingredient that defines the unique flavor profile of Sayur Asem. Sayur Asem also has lots of different veggies, making it healthy and tasty. The variety of vegetables not only adds to the nutritional value, but also enhances the visual appeal of the dish. It's usually served hot with steamed rice, which complements the soup perfectly and makes for a satisfying meal. Sayur Asem is more than just a soup. It shows how awesome Indonesian food is, using fresh, local ingredients. The use of locally sourced produce highlights the connection between the cuisine and the land. It's a perfect example of how Indonesian food balances different flavors so well. The harmony of sour, sweet, and savory elements in Sayur Asem showcases the culinary artistry of Indonesia. Sayur Asem is great because it's simple. The ingredients are easy to find, and each one adds to the special flavor. Tamarind is super important. It makes the soup sour and adds a lot of flavor to the broth. Corn is another key ingredient, adding a bit of sweetness to balance the sour tamarind. Long beans give it a nice crunch. Other veggies, like chayote and leafy greens, add their own yummy flavors. All these ingredients together create a super tasty soup that's both refreshing and filling. The different textures from soft to crunchy make Sayur Asem really fun to eat. Even though the main recipe for Sayur Asem is always the same, the beauty of this dish lies in its adaptability. There are different versions depending on where you go in Indonesia, each with its own unique twist. Each region adds its own special touch. For instance, some areas might use tamarind for a tangy flavor, while others might prefer a more savory profile. In Jakarta, people like their Sayur Asem a little sweeter by adding palm sugar, giving it a distinct rich sweetness. In other places, people add different veggies or even proteins like fish or shrimp, making it a heartier meal. These changes show how people in different areas like different tastes and how flexible the dish is. It's a true reflection of local preferences and traditions. The cool thing about Sayur Asem is that you can change it to fit what you like. Whether you're cooking for family or friends, you can always make it your own. Sweet, sour, or spicy, there's a Sayur Asem for everyone. This versatility is what makes it a beloved dish across the archipelago. Section 4. A bounty of goodness health benefits of Sayur Asem. Sayur Asem isn't just tasty, it's also really good for you. It's full of vitamins and minerals because it has so many vegetables. It's low in calories and fat, which makes it a healthy choice for a meal. The tamarind has antioxidants, which are good for protecting your body. The veggies give you fiber, which helps your digestion and makes you feel full. Sayur Asem also keeps you hydrated, which is important when it's hot outside. It's a yummy and healthy way to take care of yourself. Section 5. Bring home the flavors. A simple Sayur Asem recipe. This traditional Indonesian soup is a delightful blend of tangy, savory, and slightly spicy flavors that will transport your taste buds straight to the heart of Indonesia. Making Sayur Asem at home is easier than you think. With just a few simple ingredients and steps, you can recreate this authentic dish in your own kitchen. Here's a simple recipe you can try, perfect for a cozy family dinner or a special occasion. Ingredients: tamarind pulp, which gives the soup its signature tangy flavor. Water to create the base of the soup. Veggies like fresh corn, long beans, chayote, and leafy greens add texture and nutrition to the dish. Spices like shallots, garlic, and chilies bring depth and warmth to the flavor profile. Salt and sugar to taste, balancing the flavors perfectly. Instructions. 1. Boil water and add tamarind pulp. Let it dissolve completely to infuse the water with its tangy essence. 2. Cook spices in a pan until they smell good. This step releases the essential oils and enhances the aroma. 3. Add veggies to the tamarind water. Let them cook until they start to soften. 4. Add the cooked spices. This will blend all the flavors together beautifully. 5. Add salt and sugar. Adjust according to your taste preference. 6. Cook until the veggies are soft. This ensures all the flavors meld together perfectly. Serve it hot with steamed rice. The rice complements the soup and makes it a complete meal. Enjoy your homemade Sayur Asem. It's a dish that brings comfort and joy with every spoonful. It's more than just a soup, it's a celebration of Indonesian food and culture. Sharing it with loved ones makes it even more special. The mix of sour, savory, and spicy flavors, plus how healthy it is, makes it a really special dish. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating this harmonious blend. Try making it at home and enjoy the fresh taste of Indonesia. It's a wonderful way to explore new flavors and culinary traditions.